What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Samsung Galaxy S10e. We're going to actually be trying to play Fortnite on this device and seeing what type of settings we can actually see on this device, as well as what the gameplay actually looks like. If you guys want to see that and more, definitely stay tuned. Alright guys, so right off the bat, it looks like we are set to epic. Now, this is going to set you at 30 frames per second, and you can't actually play at 60 frames per second until you go down to high, medium, or low graphic settings. But once you guys get down to these graphic settings, you can either set it to 20, 30, or 60 frames per second. I would definitely set it to 60. It definitely looks the best and is most fluid at 60 frames per second. But as you guys see so far, the game is pretty fluid at 60 frames per second. The graphics look very nice on the screen as well. The screen looks very beautiful. And I have to say, so far with the building and everything, it's been playing pretty decently. Now, I honestly do think this is going up against the iPhone XR. And so far, it runs pretty much the same as the iPhone XR. There are a few other differences as this is a better screen. But other than that, I can't see too many differences. Alright guys, so the final verdict of the Galaxy S10e on Fortnite is it actually runs pretty good. Now, there are a few cons I'm going to talk about in a short second, but as far as the high graphics 1080p 60 frames per second gameplay, it was actually pretty good. We got some good graphics, we got some fluid gameplay, and it looked pretty decent. But so far, there were a few hiccups it looked like on this device, and this is going to be the $750 version of the Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus, and it also got a little hot on the back of the device as well. But other than that, I believe this is a competitor against the iPhone XR. Samsung is doing some great things, and it looks like they don't all have to be in big packages. But yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you guys are not part of the Tech Gang already. Also, hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.